Okay, it is 10:46 a.m. on October 15th, 2019. There is a petition going up right now. Ipsy should refund Ultimate subscribers due to overpromising and poor quality. They currently have 2,595 people that have signed this petition, and they're trying to get to 5,000. I will put the link in the description of this petition, and all credit to how I got introduced to this petition. I am not signing the petition because I do not have an Ultimate subscription. I decided when Ultimate spoilers came out that I wasn't going to participate and get the Ultimate because $50 for the spoilers that I had seen was a little far-fetched, and I just didn't personally want to put the money towards that because I just did not feel that the Ultimate was worth it. But a lot of people did take the risk and sign up for the Ultimate, and sadly, they got disappointed. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and this is a little something different I'm doing on my channel. I am collabing with Krystyn over her YouTube channel. So what I am basically doing is I'm going to be reacting to her video and sharing with you guys parts and clips of her video, not the full video because her full video will be in the link in the description. So go check her video out, subscribe, show her some love. And again, Krystyn, thank you for letting me collab with you. I did shoot her an email asking her, hey, you know, do you care if I use some of your clips and some of your information for my video? And she agreed. So a huge shout out goes to her. I hope your Ipsy experience is a lot better than what I've seen so far, and let's get on with this video.
See, Ultimate unboxing. I'm excited for the unboxing. I'm not exactly excited about the $50 box because, in my personal opinion, it's not very worth it.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there. She said, wait, I want to take a minute. Look at her eyeshadow. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, anyway, the price of the Ipsy Ultimate is $50 a month, and that is a lot of money. Like, when I released my spoilers, like, oh my goodness, $50 for this box, and then I see my spoilers, I'm like, I don't know. I didn't sign up. I didn't, but a lot of you guys did, so there is a petition going around. I will be talking about it. I featured it in my boxy review of my Glam Bag Plus, so you guys, there is a petition to sign. Will it go anywhere? I don't know. I hope so, but stay tuned. Let's continue watching, and I'll give you more information on that.
I looked to see what I got. I was just like, okay, so right off the bat, Ipsy changed their packaging, which I'm actually here for.
See, she is also, you know, excited about the Ipsy packaging. I talked about that in my Glam Bag Plus review, and I love their new logo. I love it. It spiced it up. It's cute. I love the little bubblegum pink, as I call it. So I do like that as well.
Half of the box, if that, I am even into. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Here's the contents of the box. Away, I have the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. This was a point purchase. Super pretty palette. Pretty.
I think it's so sad that she's so excited about the points that she redeemed more than the products actually for the $50 in the box. The worst part of watching her video is when she actually starts unboxing her products that she paid $50 for, how disappointed she is. And you can see in her tone, she is so upset. But she is happy for their points. That does not make sense to me. Like, why in the world would Ipsy do this to us? Well, to you guys, because I didn't sign up for the Ultimate. But still, I am just lost for words. When I watch these videos, I am so shocked.
I am going to be sending Ipsy an email. The only items I was actually wanting, I don't have.
Ipsy is usually really, really good at their customer service. Like, I go to Ipsy's email, and I will put their email across the screen right here for you guys. I love Ipsy's email customer service because I've never had a problem with them, but it seems like after watching all these videos that there is an issue in customer service now. Like, they're having an issue in customer service with the Ultimates. Why? Why are they pushing these products out and then they're not being held responsible for them? Why aren't they, you know, if in a Glam Bag Plus. If I didn't get a product that I was supposed to be getting, or in my Glam Bag, I would contact them and I'd say, hey, I didn't get this product I was supposed to get, or my product was broken, it was damaged, and they would send a new product like that within days. I'd get that so quick, I would literally go to the mailbox and there it is. So why are they doing that to the Ultimate now? Are they in over their head? Like, I'm seriously thinking that this Ultimate was a disaster. I mean, I'm not going to spill tea that shouldn't be spilled, but I don't know if you all watched the lipstick and makeup scandal that went on all over YouTube with another YouTuber that's very famous. Yeah, they push the products out too quick and they want the money, but they're not giving the customers what they want. So I'm thinking that might be the same thing going on with Ipsy. Is like they push this Ultimate out, they want more money coming in, but they're sliding in products that's not Ultimate material, you know? So I don't know. If you watch my video, you already know that I got this exact same eyeshadow shimmer that she is pulling out. Mine was cracked, mine was busted, and I sent email to Ipsy, and Ipsy sent me a replacement within a day. I got it very, 2 days later. So this product that she is getting in her Glam Bag Ultimate is the same thing I got in my Glam Bag.
Colored Rain. I'm excited about this because Colored Rain, I hear, oh my god, is this broken? What is up with things being broken?
I'm going to attach right here mine. Mine was completely broken too. You already know.
What is going on?
I can't believe she is getting the same product in her Ultimate I got in a Glam Bag.
With my boxes this week, I never have a problem like this. Look, not only am I emailing Ipsy because my freaking box is wrong, but my shadow is broken. How does this break and a whole freaking eyeshadow palette and blush palette does not break? Like, I don't understand.
Okay, so that is the end of watching her video. I don't want to, spoil too much of it, so you need to go watch her video on her channel. But the Ultimate, there is a petition, and I'm going to put it all right here. Full information about the petition. You need to go check it out. You need to sign up for it if you are an Ultimate member so you can get your money back. Like I said, I can't guarantee you're going to get your money back. I don't know how this works, what they're doing, but I do know the more people that sign up, the better. So if you want to sign up, link is in the description. Make sure you go show Krystyn some love because she's the one that I seen the petition on her channel and I'm sharing with you guys. Again, Krystyn, thank you so much for letting me use your clips in your video to share with my subscribers. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry that you are so disappointed with Ipsy's Ultimate. I hate that it was a failure because that's what all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing any good videos. If you see a good video, a good positive review of the Ultimate, link it below. Let me know. I want to see it. I am so curious to see if there's actually good reviews. So, with that being said, guys, stay tuned for more spoilers because I will have more Ipsy news up as soon as I find it out.